Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to share with you how to use the motion tracking tool in Filmora. So first, let me explain to you what the motion tracking is. So motion tracking is a kind of the AI application to use to analyze the data when you're tracking a movement of an object in your video. So then you can pin to other elements like a picture, photo, or title or sticker to the object you're tracking. In other words, when you're tracking an object in the clips, then you pin to the object with other elements that automatically follow the object, even the object moves or camera moves. So to make it more clear, let's come into the Filmora and I'll show you how I'm going to do. And here I want to track motion tracking with the three fruit here with the giver, film, and camward, right? All of them are the kind of the tropical fruit. Now, first of all, you need to move like it at the beginning of the video, right? And first I want to make a track this fruit, right? And now I click the video and go to AI tool and scroll down and select the motion tracking here and click Y icon to active. And when you click to some motion tracking button here, you move the box, the tracking box to the area that you want to tracking. And now I want to track movement of the fruit, of this fruit, right? Now I stretch it to fit and drag here and click the tracking and wait for a few seconds when it's done. You see how it works? It's done with the track. And now you can add any the element that you want. And here add the title for this object, right? Go to and I select the call out sys. And I adjust a little bit with the tag. Now I go to the advanced and I adjust it. Here giver and here and tropical fruit, right? And stretch it a little bit. You can adjust the tag by using jump into the advanced mode, right? And I apply. Stretch it more to fit, right? You can change the tag with the color. So when you adjust your text is done. Now this is the element and you want to pin to this fruit, the giver, right? You just click the tracking clip and you hear link element. Now you select the call out sys, right? And you just adjust the element a little bit to fit and then move it here. And now this is a common video when you without the tracking. When you play it, you play the video. When the camera moves, that the tag will be removed far away from the object, right? But with the tracking, it might connect this the text and the objects that follow the tag will follow the object, right? And you take a preview. You see, when the camera moves far away the objects, but the text automatically follow the objects, right? And now I just stretch it for whole video, right? But here I'm show you the way you track with the second object here with the I call it film fruit, right? I copy and I quit motion tracking, right? and I put this track about for the third track, right? And you move it where you want to track the objects here, and you track again, move the tracking box to the second object, and I want to track here, and I click the track. But here you take a note here. When I track with second object, I move it where it appears, and now I'm tracking, right? And wait for a few seconds. It's done, right? And it's easy to copy the tag again and make it. And you should put the tag that right where the second object appears, right? It's ready to fit. And I change the name of the tag. Here it's not the keyword, that's film, right? And I move with edges done. Now you click back the second track, the third track, and you select the call out 6 again, and it's automatically linked to the second object for you, right? Here film it connect with the title with the tag here, and now you just adjust a bit for whole, right? Now you take a review again. You see? I move it a bit here. It's done. For the last part, I do it the same. I do it the same way, right? I put track here. I copy the tag, and I move like it where the third object appears, and I start to move tracking this, right? I move here and click to start tracking. Wait for a second. When it's done, it takes a short time, right? It's done. Now again, I make a title, right? And then here's a come word. It's very salty. Yeah, come what maybe, right? And I click the third track and I select the call loud 6, right? It automatically move to the third object, and you adjust a bit with the title with the tag. Now you take preview with this, start to appear the title, right? You see, and here and here you might wonder how then it appear all the title for 3 objects here. Okay, so now here is the tips. Now you back to the second clip track here. You click the high track, see, and with the third track you do the same high track, right? And now you take a view for whole video clip when you're tracking with 3 elements. You see keyword is appear here, and for the next, and you see all of them appears in a clip. That's how the motion tracking works, and it's a more function here. You need time to give it a try and find it out, right? So in this clip I talk a basic step and basic use in motion tracking Filmora Tell. So thank you very much again for watching my video. If you feel this useful, please subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up. If you feel this bothers you, please ignore my video, right? Thank you again and see you.